What's up? Today we're finally getting started on the camper water system build. I've got most of the parts here and we're going to be getting them installed. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I picked up, the planning, kind of how we're routing it, and hopefully get a good start. This is what we're working with as far as the wet bay goes. This front wall will be where the filter system is going to be. Inlet will be on that side over there. We'll route our hose across and get it all set up. So let's see what we can accomplish. This is the hose I decided to go with, PVC. Fittings, hose fittings, male and female. These are the quick connect fittings I have. Just slide the collar back, pops out, slide the collar back, pops in. Should make for a quick setup, disconnect. Let's make some hose. If you pay attention, you'll notice I forget to put the hose clamps on multiple times. Did this a few times. Right here I crawled up inside so I could get better measurements and fitment across, so when I later get everything mounted up in the final position, it all works. Leave it extra long, a little long, I should say. Alright, we're gonna get those mocked up inside. So let's get those loaded. So I got 3 hoses built so far. I'm gonna have to go buy some more hose so I can build a bypass. Be able to bypass this for winterizing. And I gotta get a little bit longer of a piece to get everything situated where it needs to be. But just disconnect, connect, good to go. This is what it looks like for now. So got softener. I have to slide this over to make the other 2 work to where I can hook it up for now until I can get the rest of the hose. Now that I've got everything hooked up, minus to the RV, I'm gonna flush both systems. Filling up the softener right now. Here I'm just doing the pre-setup, letting the water run through, flush any sediment out before I put it into the system. Installed. Check for leaks. Definitely got one. Yeah. That one looks good. All dry. All dry. A little bit of a leak on that one. Try it again. I've had it hooked up, pressurized for the last little while, double checking, making sure there's still no leaks. Now that everything looks good, no more drips, leaks anywhere, time to get everything loaded back up, close everything down. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, let me know. If you like, leave a like, subscribe. Thank you.